Hello, have a nice day. Today I want to speak you about my coffee machine. I bought this coffee machine. If you see it, Krups Intuition. It's a very nice machine, coffee machine. But as I saw on internet and as I had myself problem with it, and the most problem is only problem that it has, it can be the foam, milk foam it makes. So it's sometimes tricky, but I think I can help you fix this problem. For the first thing you should know, of course, like in the manual, you should really clean this thing that you have here. It's very simple. You have everything step by step in the machine. So that should be clean because it's very important too. Another tricky thing about milk foam is also this small thing here. Then you take it out, has to be also clean. So let's look at it. They have like like um, like a hole in it and some small relief. You have to have it all clean, small channels I want to say. So after that, and the third, okay, let's put it back. And one more thing, a very tricky one, actually. I didn't know, and I struggled to make my milk foam like a lot of time, and I didn't know. It's about how you insert inside this thing. You see, if you look here, you should never ever insert it till the end. If you do like that till the end, it won't make a nice foam. You should always take a little bit back from here, a little bit back. You see? Let's make a try. Okay, so just watch. You see, this thing should not be till the end there. Now it's warming up and the milk foam will come. If it's too far, you should put a little bit back. You see, that's the limit. You see? I made a small amount of foam. I should make a little bit more so you can see it. So you see it works very nice. Now let's watch the quality. So you see, this is the standard quality it makes. So that's it I want to share with you. Hope you find useful and maybe solve a problem with this machine. enjoy, and if you like my content, hope you subscribe, and thank you for everything.